No wave, hi, bud.
Hi.
Good kid.
My hair.
Yeah. All over the place.
Look at her tongue.
Yeah, don't put your fingers in your mouth, you have a cold.
Hi.
And the door is step out.
Get hug her.
I know it's hot, you should want to down, huh? That was a nice hug. Was that her?
Is it her?
Did she do that?
I heard do that.
Turn it on as she stops. She stopped moving now that I turned it on. 100%.
What's Harry doing? Is he taking you, cutie? Do you know where he comes from? Is he right? Where's he go? Smile in there? Smile in there for Daddy? Make a smile, smile. Oh. Hello, Elise. Hello. You telling a story? You definitely getting drooly over there, huh? Getting drooly? But tell Mama a story. Uh, uh. Come here. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. He's up here. Right here. Hello. Hi. Do we get a big smile? Where's my big smiles? You gonna talk to me? Yeah. Hello.
Okay, in my bed. Mom. Mom, can you eat the bread?
Hello. Where's my smile? Yeah, you looking right in there, huh? Are you looking right in? Where's a big smile? Where's a big smile?
I want a clean bread. Mom, I want clean bread.
All right, Nicholas.
Hmm?
Where are you?
Here.
I see you. Are you smiling? Where's those big smiles? Yeah, there's a pretty girl. He's a pretty girl. Who's smiling? What are you doing? You gonna talk and tell stories too? Ah, ah. Oh, there's a big one, huh? Get big smiles out of you today, huh? Get the big smiles? Yeah? George, big yawn. That's a pretty girl. Give Mama a big smile. Give you a big smile. The big one. Big, big, big smile. Hi. Big smile. You stretching? Are you stretching? Cool breeze.
Gotta look, Amanda.
Sound does travel easy around here. Getting a picture of you eating while you're camping.
Gabby took some of Elise while she was eating while she was camping. That probably looked good.
Yeah.
All over me. Nice and warm too.
Ew, yuck. Oh yeah. Good there, huh? Yeah. You ate too much. There's Amanda, the morning after getting sick. Oh, it figures. The battery light's on.
Yeah, now she's watching TV.
Yes, I do. I used to date an ornithologist. So? She jumped me because all the other ornithologists made fun of her for going out with a guy named Finch. Fruitful eggheads.
You talking?
Why couldn't they
Tell me
just
a
let us
story?
be?
Tell the story again? Yeah? They just big smiles.
Hey, Ellie,
They're
can
big
you hear me?
smiles. Yeah.
Okay, put your side on mute.
Oh,
When Donna's
who's this?
in here and can't hear you breathing,
Who's
okay?
this? Who's that? Oh, no, you
Okay.
Up the, that's a second
Elliot?
now. Yes, it does. Who's that? What's Daddy doing?
Okay, I see him on the
Is he Daddy? Yeah?
I'm Donnie.
What's he doing?
You feel your person?
Yeah? You telling that story again? Huh?
I'm Donnie.
You good time
Oh,
to
it's a
sing?
big yawn.
Yeah?
You can drop the act.
Alright.
I don't know what it is, but
So you're gonna tell us
my
now.
eyes off you all afternoon. My dog files with his
Cool.
What is it? What is it? What
Take too much in, Lord. They don't want to swallow it.
I think that's why they said to keep it fed.
Don't talk about the paper.
Plus you're not used to a spoon.
No, she's not getting into that at all.
You're not going too good, huh? You're not going too good? You don't like the nuggies?
Get a little drink of a bottle with it so you rinse it down.
Can you grab it out of the this is
888-55-U and point a kid in the right direction.
Who's eating her cereal? Huh? Who's eating her cereal?
It's almost 5 o'clock. Time.
You want another bite?
Time.
You want another bite?
Can I say
Time when your kids are most likely to be offered the
In a
chance
couple of
to try
weeks.
drugs. In other words, a good time to check in with them.
You want your spoon? You want your spoon?
When it comes to keeping up with fashion, it's easy to be let down. Good thing there's
You want another bite?
It's stylish, easy
You want another bite?
Cavaliers the lowest price car with air and
Please.
exhaust brakes
Looking at Nicholas.
So you can look good without costing you an arm or a pink leg. Chevy Cavalier, depend on it. At Burger King, we're making breakfast
You want another bite?
like our sausage, egg, and cheese.
You want another bite?
Delicious French toast sticks. Grab them and go right now for just 99 cents each. Hey, with tasty choices like this, getting out of bed just got a whole lot easier. Burger King, have it your way.
Same room as last year. It's like I have the same cold, stuffy,
You want the spoon?
fever.
You want the spoon? You want the spoon?
Night focus at 6 a.m.
You want the spoon?
Try NyQuil. I'll feel better, even with a monster cold. When NyQuil relieves, you can
Hello.
rest. And when you wake up,
Hello.
NyQuil. The nighttime sniffling, sneezing, coughing, aching, stuffy, and fever, so you can rest and have a good morning.
The spoon. Look at her. There she goes. She's eating the spoon. Good girl. Good girl.
She's got a spoon right in there.
You licking the spoon? You get some num-nums? Show Daddy. We got it on tape. Yeah. Just like Nicholas, shoving that spoon right in there. He did it on his first try as soon as he touched it. Come on, Smiley. You put your spoon in your mouth? You want to lick your spoon again? Show Daddy? Huh? You want me to put some more num-nums on it? Yeah? Okay. It's secret. Yeah. Daddy, here she goes. Oh, almost. You gonna put your spoon in your mouth? You want some more num-nums on it? Huh?
Leave it to great challenge. Thrown to the lion, he marvels at the animal's pedigrees instead of trying to find a way out.
What is it? Is it funny? Is it funny? Maybe I have to buy the jar stuff. This might be too tight. It might make it like smoother.
So, do you want to see what a typical day is like in Canadian Oklahoma? This is Canadian Public School, and this is my classroom. This is third grade. My teacher is Mrs. Branch. She reminds me of Mr. Rapper.
I think I'm probably a lot like Mr. Ratburn. We're going to discuss speaking and listening on the telephone.
Hello, who is this? This is Hollis. This is Wolver Judger. I know they're not home right now. I mean, and this is where I live. And sitting on the porch is my family. My mom, Cookie. My dad, Randy. And my brother, Bryce. These are my friends, Caleb, Michael, and Bailey. And we're just about ready to play basketball again. I think it won't work, Mom.
Hey, since you're staying, maybe my 4 girlfriends and a thumb can go out to dinner with pleasure me.
Attention everyone, there is a severe thunderstorm warning. This is to remind employees with families that they may go home to their loved ones. Those of you without loved ones, I here and join me during this refreshing summer shower.
Listen, if you don't have kids, you get stuck here doing everybody else's work. I'm tired of picking up the slack just because I choose to be single. Choose, you said?
Yeah, I choose to be single the way you choose to be double. Oh man, we're losing.
You know, the drill, get everybody together on the main sales floor. Can't believe this is almost my last hour alive, probably. I gotta spend it staring at you. What you got?
You got your big bum in the video.
Numbers on the whole building, though. According to the manual, you have to lock down all the registers, check the store for customers, and after that...
I'm getting you two. I got you two.
Me?
Yeah, I got you in here. Isn't that why you we ran right over and sat over there? Huh?
Yeah, and when the flood starts, you can all march 2 by 2 into Drew's
I think you should sing a song, Nicholas. Sing a song. Yeah, but then I can get it on video and put it on the movies for your next movie. Yeah. Yeah. And what's the next verse? Are you sleeping? Brother John.
Yeah. Now let's do a movie. I just sang a song. Sunny, sunny, winter, oh, cry, cry, cry.
Yep. Now what was it? What is that you're teaching her?
She's trying to lift her head up to get to us.
Mr. Wick.
Okay, don't put yourself back.
You abuse people, and they're gonna fight back. We're forming a union, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Mommy.
What's that?
Tornado siren.
I move we continue this meeting in the basement. All in favor, run for your life.
You go ahead with this union, Kenny, you'll never get a promotion. I'll shut down this store with pigsty. There goes the cow. I suppose under the circumstances...
Nicholas. Smile and wave bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I know, huh? Elise, what are you eating? Elise Johansson. Elise, what are you eating? There you go. You gonna kick the rattle? You gonna kick it? Elise Johansson. Mommy's watching you. Go get the rattle. Go get it. Go get it. little girl. There you go. Get your piggy toes. Get your piggy toes. Yay! Yay! Who's got her piggy toes? You gonna roll over too? Huh? My big girl. What's the matter? What? What's the matter, Elise? Somebody's tired. Thinks she might be going in for a nap. Is it nappy time? What's the matter? Looks like she wants to eat it and chew on it because she's got her mouth open and she's...
It looks so bad, it looks like she's trying to do it, yeah.
You want something to chew on? Huh? Do you want a toy to chew on? I feel like she's... Oh no, I'm gonna be moving it. Sometimes I feel like I think she's a puppy or something. Here, roll over. Here, you want a chew toy? What's the matter, Elise? Mommy treating you like a puppy. What you do? Elise. Yeah, that should make you smile.
Was that?
I got that on tape, little girl. I get that on the movie. We're gonna listen to you. That was not my fault. Look at all the big smiles you have now. Does it feel good? Does it feel good? Huh? What? Give me a big smile. That's a pretty girl. That's a pretty girl. Huh? You got big smiles for me? Yeah?
I think it will work.
Hello, Nicholas. Wait a minute. Hi.
Dad,
Yeah, bud.
watch it.
Ooh.
Push it a little bit further back, Nicholas.
I can't.
That looks good.
Yeah,
That's fine.
good job.
Up high, up high.
All right, easy.
That looks good.
No, there's no more.
There's a whole...
You gonna hang another one, Nicholas?
No, because maybe I want to take some of the big one. I'm right here, Mom. Right here.
Hold on a minute, I'll be right there. Nicholas, no. No, no, no.
I want to eat.
There's nothing in them. They're empty. Daddy already emptied them out. That's what you see on the table.
No, Nicholas, get away from those, please. You're gonna get yourself in trouble with me, Nicholas. Please don't do that.
So that's why he makes such wonderful toys.
That's why.
Come have Daddy help you hang another one, please.
I won't eat.
Huh? Can you? No, that's Daddy already took that one out.
How about I fix it?
How about you pick one up off the floor, and then have Daddy help you hang another one, please.
So, Nicholas, look. Over there, see the kitty cat spinning around the circle?
Thank you for stepping over the ornaments.
I can't find the kitty.
Well, you're not saying moving. Find the Christmas fine young man. I'm a man.
Goes back and forth.
I can take those toys across the mountain.
There we go. Now it's going in full swing.
It would be nice if someone played with our toys. If only one of my dollies could be held tight by a little girl.
It's decided. Come on. I leave for Summertown.
What do you think, Nicholas?
Cool.
Have Daddy help you hang
We're
one?
not going to hang this one because it's much, much too heavy. We're going to put it up, though, on the stand afterwards.
Is that the one? You want Daddy to help you hang that one?
That's where we got the red suit.
Yep. He's always
I
wanted one just like
know I got one more that I didn't have. What is it?
Well, Chris said goodbye to all the friends. And just like that, Chris is done for me.
Hey, I put two.
Yeah.
No, let's put this one away. I don't want to do these two lots.
Well,
I'll put this.
uh-oh.
You're just about as lost as you can get. Better travel with me. Come on,
Have Daddy pick you up.
I'll call you down.
All right, let me.
How about like oh, right here on that. Good work.
Good job, Nicholas.
No way. Can you pick me up?
Right here.
Is about to do something extraordinary.
Ooh, that a good job.
No, let's do.
Watch where you. Watch where you're stepping. Get off the.
Go get it, Elise. Go get it.
How about Marty's Christmas video? When I was a
Good
kid,
work.
I used to watch this.
Okay, take a break from it, okay?
I want to watch Bonnie's new Christmas video.
Now you have your own Barney Christmas video. Just like I did.
It's on DVD.
Hello. Hello, pretty girl.
Caramel pepperoni. For the tree and art toaster.
What?
Is a new
What? Sarah.
and then a house.
Who's looking at herself in the mirror? Is that you?
With
Is that you, Elise?
When our customers come in, sometimes you see them stand back and almost in awe at our selection of cameras. Hallmark carries digital cameras, camcorders. I occasionally go by PhotoJet. I love to use my camera for my kids. It's a kid's birthday.
About 10 pounds Barbie here.
I capture those memories. That way you can really
Oh,
embarrass
10-pound Barbie? Is that what you said? She's gonna go on top every year.
Okay.
kids who want their first camera all the way up to
I can't believe they make some of these so heavy.
at the every little price.
Yeah, I'm just starting to realize it. That's right, we forgot the clock. That's a light one, so we can hang that medium or low.
How
Huh?
about that clock, Dad?
How about the clock, bud?
Yes,
Sure.
this one is mine. I had this. And
Okay.
Wait,
Trying to find a place for a 5-pound snowman, and I will find a place for £10 Bobby. How about?
Well, you know what? You could probably move that reindeer one, the light bulb reindeer up there, George, up top. The one, because that's light.
Right. Well, there's no. That's fine. That.
I mean, if you need a top branch, that's all.
All
right, all right.
What are you talking about?
Oh, wait a minute. And this is Nicholas's branch.
What? This bunny can go right.
Right there with the rest of them, Nicholas? I gotta get a good shot of. I can't tell. It's so like dark looking through this. I can't tell if I'm getting a good shot.
We've been fortunate as far as how it's been coming out. That's all the light we have.
How about we put
Oh, actually, turn one of those white ones on.
Daddy, can you pick me up?
Just try to like. Yeah, that's good. There we go.
Good, that's all that works.
I'm trying to get a good shot of it so he can see it later. Call this Nicholas's branch instead of his tree. He's got all the ornaments on one branch all hanging down. It's so funny. Yeah, you did a good job though. Very good. Get a couple on that branch too. You faking again? You faking again?
Man, I forgot to record that on the movie.
Oh yeah? Hello? Hello, pretty girl. Who's all smiley? Who's all smiley? Yes. What? Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Hey, tickle. Oh, really? You telling a story? Wow, what a noisy girl you are. Oh, it's no, we don't have that channel. Oh, that's right. We'll put the other one back on for him then.
I don't even know what channel it was.
Fox Family, wasn't it? No? I think it was 58 or something. Okay, silly girl. You're looking at yourself in the mirror and then you're screaming. Are you scaring yourself? Or are you just talking to your friend? Huh? You're so funny. And under the tree watching your train go around. Look at him. Where'd that come from?
Now that I know what it is, I remember. Everybody sing!
Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday, dear Nicholas! Cha-cha-cha! Happy birthday to you! Cha-cha-cha!
Cha-cha! Blow the candles, bud! One more! Good work! Yay! Alright! Okay, now what do we do?
We cut the cake!
Okay,
I tell you what, Nicholas wants to open presents, so what we could do, can you what?
Can I take one of these?
Nicholas is keeping them, but you can lick them if you want.
Whatever you want to do,
Well,
Presents. Who want presents? Presents.
Nicholas, you want to open your presents?
Yeah.
All right, you stay right there and we'll move the cake down this end.
Wait a minute.
Okay. You're going to open your presents right there.
Bring your presents up here, okay?
So everybody can see.
Put the cakes out of the way. We'll bring your presents up here so everybody can see you open them, okay?
Too many rules. Just jump down.
Whatever you want.
It's not enough room
Here
here.
you go. Open this one.
This one's from Jacob and Alyssa. I feel so inadequate. Right, with the Harley Davidson wrapping paper.
Yeah, that's cool.
Cool, man.
The agenda or the family?
Wow, nice.
Oh, okay.
One second, we'll do that one next time.
Yeah, so let's open the cards. See who it's from.
Want me to open it, Nicholas?
Facts about.
Happy birthday.
Go ahead, just rip it open, Nicholas. Somebody take it.
Oh, this is from the Johanssons. This is going to be obnoxious, I can guarantee.
Just start it, Johnny, just start it for him.
Yeah.
There you go. Now go ahead, Nicholas.
Go ahead, bud.
Now, Nicholas, flip it.
See what kind of obnoxious toy we got? We know what he did. We have to see.
What?
Obnoxious is in the eye of the beholder, George.
Oh, kind of. What do you got there, bud?
Woo!
Oh, we got Hot Wheels in. So good. Noise making like that.
Awesome!
Whoa, look at that.
Sorry, noise maker.
Something that you gotta hold the present for me? Thank you.
Hey. Whoa.
Where's the present?
Here's the card from Jacob and Alyssa.
I can't see it.
Yep.
I'm dying. That's enough.
Where's the present? That's the one.
Okay.
There's
I don't
one.
know if that was a good picture or not. You might want to-
There's one. Whoa, look at these bad boys.
You're not pretty smart.
They do it just to torture you. I
I do it because they know I like them. Because
You want to open another present?
see what we got here.
Do you need help?
From Kevin and Kelly.
Ooh, that's from your cousin. Yes.
Sleeping. She just went down for a nap. Phew.
Underwear.
She doesn't usually nap for long, though.
No, it's not underwear. I can't end up
Oh, thanks, Cal.
Oh.
Hey, Kelly.
How you open? Don't tell.
He didn't hear a
Take
word.
off the gloss.
I heard it over here, though.
He's over there.
He's got the paper in his hand. You don't hear what he's saying.
Hey, guys.
There you go. Oh, nice sweatshirt.
Cool.
Cool.
A Pokemon sweatshirt. Wow.
Right.
Yeah.
You can't see
I'm
it.
gonna open it in the present.
You want to slide it over
Like that one.
If you want to go over there, you can see. You know what you can do? You can crawl right under the table.
What's in the bag, Nicholas? And who's it from?
Nicholas.
Oh, that, okay, so that's from Stacy and Joey and Stephanie and Johnny and Nigel Judy. All kinds of good stuff.
Nicholas. He won't look at us.
Then I'll read the cards.
Nicholas, look at Auntie.
Nicholas, so happy Bob. Stacy,
Such a rat.
Joey, and Stephanie.
They watch Pokemon Christmas youth groups on
Happy.
Your age?
Auntie Michelle's got and Uncle Fran got a book that has your name in it, in the story. Isn't that cool? Can we read it tonight? All right.
It's a Rugrats movie. It's a Rugrats.
Ooh, who's that from?
Wasn't Health Nicholas? It's a Rugrats movie.
Carrie, is that the one we did?
Oh, the Rugrats movie.
Ooh, who got you that?
left it all.
Nicholas, who got you that? You say thank you?
That was from Carrie.
I want to open it and
Stacy has right there. There you go.
He's got the present syndrome. He's got the hang of it.
No, it's a Barbie. Because I got one for Christmas.
From who? Dad. You guys know everything he bought you?
Yep. Yeah, Joey's like the best one who picks up the presents.
What did Joey
Eric
go?
just saw the package.
Yeah, I got a Barbie last year for Christmas. It's too annoying. No.
George, there's another present from
Right
there.
We'll give him that, now we'll give him. What do you got, bud?
He got a Barbie.
Oh, cool. Barbie.
Nicholas, who got you the Furby? Nicholas, who got you the Furby?
You know
Nicholas, who got you the Furby?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, he did.
Mom and Dad and Elise.
You are. Does he have one?
These are all
Yeah, he does now.
Yeah, I have the card somewhere. I haven't signed it yet.
I love it.
It's a video. Really? It's on the
George doesn't want any of those toys now.
I want to give them away, but I'm not the one that says put them away. Sure.
It's Long John's and a shirt. Look at the shirt. Open up the shirt, Nicholas. What's on the shirt?
Thermals.
What Toy Story?
Yay! Woody and Buzz.
And I want it.
Now you got Long
I
John.
want to eat the cake.
I want to know, brother.
It's a book. It's a book. It's on.
Yeah.
We're going to have to ship you out
He's
again,
only
boy.
3 years old, Father.
Oops, sorry.
Here, want some help?
Otherwise, I'll embarrass you about the time I bought Stephanie a pink Corvette for a Barbie.
Yeah, let's hear it.
Drove from about 4 feet away and said,
My car. Oh.
what do you got, bud?
Whoop! There goes another balloon.
Say thanks, Auntie Julie.
There was a balloon and it just kind of went boom.
What do you got there, bud?
Johnny, you need everyone to fly.
Open it up.
Like, boom.
You can watch that.
Buzz,
Yeah, definitely said that too.
having customers.
Yeah, John, can you pass that
hold up.
present over?
Oh, Nicholas, you have one funny ass. Who's Nicholas, you have one present.
Nicholas, wait a few more minutes, okay?
Guys, look at George here.
Watch out for the cake.
Wait a minute, that's the back.
I do not know this.
Okay, ready? There you go. Okay, this guy, let him do it.
Nicholas, yeah.
Making use of that wrapping paper.
There you go.
I know.
I know what it is.
If I hadn't made it out to the store, I would have done the same. Don't even worry about it.
No, the Toy Story thing. That's up.
Oh, do it.
What's up, Toy Story? What is it?
No electrical charge.
That's great.
I seen these in the store.
Can we open it? Yeah, he wants to open that one too. He loves trains.
Put this one down for a minute.
Oh, sorry, honey. I'm sorry, Kelly.
Yeah, that's right. He loves that. That's the one thing you want to know with the bus. George! Wait a minute.
Nicholas, what you guys like here?
Wow.
What, Nicholas?
Come see what Daddy has, honey.
Got one more present. Where is it?
Look at that, huh?
Whoa, check that out.
What is it?
McKinley has this.
Yes, but that's yours, huh?
You got a new bike?
Yes.
You a big boy? Can you ride it?
Climb up on there.
But he can't.
You're gonna learn.
Look at you, huh?
Oh, what's the pedals? 7.
I want that
Cool, huh?
You'll be riding that by next summer.
He'll be right there tomorrow.
Nicholas,
Yeah.
Mom, we're having a cookie. Nicholas, look. And then you got money.
Ooh.
He's dying to get his hands on that buzz.
Hey, is Daddy good or what?
Nicholas.
Thank you, Nicholas.
Wow, what do you got there, bud? Hey, oh, really?
Hey, man, you can open that? Yeah, they can take that and get to it.
That's all right. What do you got, bud?
Hey, George.
Joey can show you.
Open it for you.
Hey, man.
Oh, well,
You grab just a couple pictures. Actually, it's almost out of film.
Yeah, I'm over here. Hey, Joey and Nicholas.
let me see.
Joey.
Let me see. I'm gonna put it together.
Cool, a Tonka truck, Nicholas.
Thanks,
That
John.
was the last one. Yeah, I got more.
There.
Whoa, get.
Those 2 rolls are full.
Yeah, go like that. That's key.
Keep from that.
From that? Oh,
Look
okay.
at the mow haircut.
Oh, okay.
That kept from that. Mow haircuts.
Does everybody have a present? Wait, we got one more.
I got something else. I'm going to buy good, is that trash?
Yes, I love those things. I love those.
We actually found out by putting one in there.
Yeah.
Joey, Tony has this one.
doggy stick.
Joey, Tony has this one.
Okay, well, they sent it back to us. It's just a cheapo one. But that's how it's fine. Where'd that come from?
Oh, Joey, that is so cool. He loves that. You can fix your truck?
Judge, hey, Judge, let me see this thing for a second. What? Judge, I give you one job to do. One job to do.
Take the price tag. You got one thing, all you gotta do is one thing.
I know, John. I know, I wasn't listening. I didn't take both price tags off.
Would George wrap it?
Extra price tags.
No more.
These are all from Nieta. Those are from Nieta.
Where is it?
Thank you, Nana. Thank you, Nana.
All those are from Nana. All those are from Nana.
Whoa, baby. Yeah, this one's for Lee.
Another? There you go. Very good.
Hey, Nicholas.
George trying to change the film on the camera. Ah!
Can you? 30 socks. Yeah.
Nicholas.
I got one of the blues in there.
Right here.
I'll hold yours, all right?
Nicholas. Auntie Debbie's calling you.
I got lunch.
I think it says Joshua.
Eric.
That's Joshua.
Did you get one?
Oh, yeah. Oh, all right.
I thought I saw another one. Yeah, all those presents for my friend.
Money.
I know, that's...
Elise. Hey. Hey, what are you doing? Are you bouncing, bouncing, bouncing? What you got, bud?
Carrot.
For
Reindeer.
all right.
What's this?
Cookie.
For who?
Santa.
All right. Put them on the table.
We'll get his milk too, huh? Right here. This is where he's gonna come, right? Fill our stockings and put presents?
Andrew, can I have a carrot?
What, you want to buy? You want to share the carrot with the reindeer?
Yeah.
Okay.
When the reindeer comes, he's going to eat one with me.
Oh, you're going to be sleeping. You just shared. You
That's
have to go
right.
Now, and you're not sleeping, the reindeer will come and eat the carrot. Yeah. Want me to go get the milk too? And should we write a letter to Santa?
But it's funky.
Is this Santa's milk? What's he gonna have that with his cookies? So what should we write on the letter?
Mom,
What should we
can
write?
you take this off?
No, we'll leave that there. Just do that. What should we write in the note to Santa?
On the paper.
What should we say?
God Santa.
God Santa?
God bless you, Santa.
God bless you, Santa. When he sneezes.
When he sneezes? That's nice. Great. That's right. Yeah, then you say God bless you, huh? But what should we tell him the cookies and milk are for him? And the carrots are for the reindeer?
What?
That's okay, they can split it. So it would be what? Dear Santa, God bless you. Okay. What should we say about the snack? Let us pray. Hope you like the cookies. And like their carrot. Did they like their carrot? Okay. You got it? Should we say thank you for anything? What?
Thank you.
Thank you for what? What did Santa bring you?
Present.
So should we say thank you for what?
Present.
Thank you for all the presents. Come again next year. Should we say love, Nicholas? And who else? Nicholas and
Daddy.
Daddy and who else?
Elise.
That's right.
And that's all the people.
What about
That's all the
Mommy?
people?
What about Mommy?
I'll put Dad and Mom. How's that?
But Mom just sent her all by herself.
Okay.
That's right. Here we go. Dear Santa, God bless you, let us pray. hope you like the cookies and the reindeer like the carrot. Thank you for all the presents. Love, Nicholas, Elise, Mom, and Dad. Is that good? Anything else we need to say? Or is that it? That's it.
Look under the tree.
What is it? What? What do you see?
Mm-hmm.
What do you see? What happened here, Nicholas? There's a note there. You want me to read the note to you? Dear Nicholas and Elise, thank you very much for the yummy cookies.
He eats the bottom. And he doesn't eat the last. He didn't eat the last one.
Oh, he said his belly was very full and he couldn't eat them all, so he saved one for you. That's for you. And his reindeer really like the carrots, too. Did his reindeer eat the carrots? He said, I hope you like all your presents. Be good all next year and I'll come again next Christmas. God bless you, too. Love, Santa. Why don't you go pee-pee, honey, first?
Yeah, why don't we go pee-pee first and then we'll open the presents.
Where are you? Hi, sweetie. Elise. Hey, little girl. Hi. Hi. Where's my big smiles? Where's my big smile? Hi. Hi. Where's my big smile? Where is it? It's gonna get you. Look this way. Elise. Elise. Hi. Hey, kiddo. Elise. Look at Mama. Look at Mommy. Hi. Hi. You gonna say Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas.
Well, we gotta see which one's the one to put.
One's for Elise.
Well, this one's for Elise. We'll put Elise's right over here.
Okay, because her too little to play hers.
Right.
Yes, maybe after you're done yours, maybe you can help her.
To Nicholas from Santa.
You want to open it?
Yes.
Save the B.I.G. one.
Ah, no. Boy, Santa does a good job wrapping, huh?
What is it? Shoots? Yes.
It's called Shoots and Ladders.
That's right. A slide game.
A computer game inside it also.
I want to see.
Well, we'll open it later.
Can
This
I
is
open
another one for Nicholas.
it?
Yes.
Who's it from? They're from Santa?
Yes, it is.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, what is it? Oh, the Viewmaster.
You look in the holes.
Look put it up to your eyes and look inside.
See pictures.
See the picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, when we open it later, I'll show you how to make more pictures with it.
It's different, huh?
Yeah.
Can we open it?
Do you want to open the rest of our presents first?
And the,
Yeah.
yeah.
This one's yours from Santa Claus.
And it was for me. What is it?
I don't know. I never saw it.
I'm gonna open it.
What's that?
Pikachu!
Pikachu!
Look at that big. Woo! That was funny.
Cool, huh?
It's a Pikachu. Wow, that was a big hit, huh?
Yes. This is another one for Nicholas from Santa.
Wonder what that is.
Oh, look at that.
A truck.
A remote control truck.
Wow.
Well, we can play with that, but let's see what else we got.
I think Daddy's saying it's easier to open all your presents first and then start playing.
Yeah.
Let Daddy pick them out because...
Let me see who's that one for. Is it for Nicholas or is it for Elise?
It's for me.
Yes, it is. From Santa Claus. I like the tag has to come on.
Oh, does he?
It's supposed to come off.
Yeah, the tag's supposed to come off.
But I have a Pikachu.
You have a Pikachu? Oh, a thinking chair.
That's what he said.
Yeah, it is.
Can we open this?
Yeah, well, later, let's unwrap the gifts first and then we'll play.
First we'll open the rest of your presents.
I know, it's hard. When we were little, we used to rip them open before something else. Well, let Daddy check the tags. Pass it over to him and ask him.
This is to Nicholas from Santa. That one's for Elise. Good.
We just never seen anyone take the tags off before, Nicholas. Good job. Wonder what that is.
What is it?
That's a magnet rule. It's a drawing board.
Kind of like, isn't there one like that? It's like the one at church, honey.
Yeah, you'll like this.
We'll show it to you later.
Who's this one? This one says, this one's for Elise.
I want one.
Well, eventually they're going to be gone, so be grateful for what you get. The look on his face.
To Nicholas.
And when you're done with yours, you can help Elise open hers, because she's still too little, huh?
Oh, a tape recorder.
Wow, you can play your tapes now, your music tapes.
Cool, man.
My mom said,
This one goes to Nicholas from Santa.
right, back to Nicholas.
Wonder what that is. What's that? Oh.
Do it comes out?
Wow, it's a new case to carry all your cars in.
Wow.
Can you open it?
Ooh, look at all the cars you can carry in here.
Wow.
It even has a little street.
But there's none cars in here.
Yeah, well, we'll put your cars in there. Cool. Plus, oh, look, it has a handle with wheels, and you can let it walk around behind you. Whoops. See, the wheels will turn.
All right, wait a minute, Nicholas. You still got some over here, too. Those two.
Yeah, this one's for Nicholas. That one's from Mommy and Daddy.
George. Right there. Yeah. Those.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, what is it?
Nice sweater.
Yeah, that's
What
from.
else?
What's
Wait a minute, Nicholas.
Nick?
We'll see in a minute. You want to open? Come on, you got more over here to open. Look at all of these presents you still need to open.
Well, after he's done with these, I'll oh, that's all right. What is it?
Ooh.
What are they, though?
They're little stamps.
Oh,
Little stamps. You make pictures with them.
cool. We get to make pictures on the paper with those. We'll show you how later.
Cool.
No, this one's for me.
Yes, that was
Yes.
Santa.
What do you say?
Thank you,
Yes,
Santa Claus.
that's right.
But he's not here.
That's
but if
right.
you say it up in the sky, he might hear you.
But he's not up in the
Okay.
He's back at the North Pole now. He's all done, huh? But he has his magic snowball, so he can hear you.
Need a little help? There we go. Whoa, Etch-a-Sketch.
It draws little pictures when you move the white knobs. Or clear knobs now.
Yeah.
I just saw that.
Cool.
See, it'll draw lines.
Can I see from it?
Yep. Why don't you open up these other ones here from Mom and Dad and Elise?
This one?
Yeah, those are from Mom and Dad and Elise.
I just see what else.
Change position.
Yeah. That's yours. The white one's yours.
What you got, Nicholas?
Ooh, a firefighter movie!
Whoa! Wow! Cool, man.
I was
I
gonna
didn't
get
even-
that from the store.
Ah, it even has a fire truck, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
And a fire truck movie.
Wow, excellent, huh?
And what I'm gonna do is here.
Okay.
What do you think it might be?
Like the end of the movie.
It might be another movie. He's learning, huh?
He's got enough of them this year to know.
Definitely has the shape for it.
What is it?
That's Frosty the Snowman.
Remember the one we watched on TV? So that we will have it for next year and we can watch it.
Here.
Should we take her out of the bouncer and bring her over? I know she's happy, but I feel bad. Maybe put her in her
Well,
extra
after he's
saucer.
done, I'll hold on to her and we can open, he can open
Okay.
the presents if, you know. What is this? Ooh, new boots.
Wow.
Ooh, look at those bad
Now if we
boys,
just get
huh?
some snow, you have something to wear them in.
Yeah. Hey, we got two more.
But this one's mine.
Yes, it
Is it? Oh, it is?
Yes.
And you're anxious to open it?
Yes.
Yeah, how come? Because it's big?
Mine.
Because it's big? Mm-hmm.
It's mine.
Because it's mine. Wow, what's that?
that coloring book.
Wow.
Actually, hon, I think it's the regular book. It's the
a
story.
book.
It's the Rugrat movie story.
Wow.
We can read it later, huh? Well, you got one more right there.
Right next in front of you.
What do you think it might be? It might be what?
Franklin.
Ooh, a Franklin book. Oh, you can open the big one now. You can open that one.
We need to take that off.
Need to take the tag off, yep. How do you start that one? So big, huh?
Right here, over here.
He's climbing. There you go. Rip it right open, Nicholas.
Wow.
It's a game.
It's a Hot Wheels City to play with all your cars on.
Yes, but it's a game.
Oh,
Oh,
the
this-
game comes with it.
Yeah, a game came with it too. Look at that, he knows that. Good bless you, Lisa.
I'm going to show Kelly I have my Pikachu.
You're going to show
Peek at
Kelly
you.
that you have him peek at you?
You know what? Kelly's coming over today.
Yeah, and you can show
Yes,
her.
And you'll be able to show her when she comes over.
Oh.
So what about those? You want to give them his now?
Yeah, I don't care. Do you want to, Nicholas? That's it for presents. But you know, did you look up on the wall?
See the stockings? He filled
What's up
all
there?
the stockings.
Oh.
Do you think you know which one is yours? It goes.
Next to Elise's.
Yes. Would you like to look in it?
No.
Want to see what's in there? Little presents?
I want to play this game.
You want to play the game, huh?
Well, let's finish opening all our presents.
Yeah, we gotta help Elise open hers too.
Wow.
Ooh, what's that? A
Pokemon
Pokemon.
thing.
Yeah. Wasn't that nice of Santa?
Present.
Okay, you can hold it. More presents?
Yeah.
Wow.
Don't lose your Pokemon thing in the mess.
Yeah, we won't do that. Oh, these are for you, these are more pictures for
Oh,
this.
there's stickers.
Ooh! What else is in there?
And presents.
Alright.
And
What's that? Ooh, chocolate Santa Claus.
chapstick.
Tweety lips. That's Tweety bird.
No, it's
Yeah.
chapstick.
Right, but that's Tweety on top.
Yep.
So they're Tweety lips.
Just like your Mickey lips, huh? But it's Tweety Bird.
Candy. Ooh.
Mmm.
Wow, new mittens.
And a cord.
Wow. Jelly beans.
I don't like those. And a cord. Oh, gone.
Is that everything?
Nope, there's something else in there.
There's one more in there, I think, Nicholas
There's
Daddy.
something else in there, it feels like. Reach out. Whoop, there it is. Another car.
Yeah. But did you open up the...
Open the presents and see what
Okay.
they are.
Well, that's, so far, it wasn't too bad. I don't like those. It's like, that's kind of funny, actually. Yeah, what's that? What is it, Dad?
Pokemon. Pokemon. Pikachu.
I have that.
That's right. It's behind you. What's in your box? Yeah. No, the other one.
What?
Behind him. He's looking for Pikachu.
Oh, yeah.
It's right near your hand. It's right behind you.
Are you looking for
Right there.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. At least you do. Also. Cool, man. Got one more present that's yours.
This one?
Yeah.
That's the one.
Excuse me. Oh, what is that? It's a Christmas ornament for the tree. For next year.
Isn't it? Yes.
It's a special ornament.
It's a special ornament.
It's for you to hang on the. For you to hang on the tree.
You'll be able to hang it on the tree next year.
Which one's mine? Can I open it in a present?
That's it for you, hon. You opened everything that was for you. What do you say to Mom?
The little car.
What do you say to Mom, Dad, and Elise for what we got you?
Which one's mine, Dad?
What do you mean, which one's yours?
I want to open it in a present.
Do you want to help Elise open hers?
Yes.
All right.
Right,
Wait a minute.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we need to open it for her.
Yeah.
Let's for presents first.
Yeah, I'm sure you can help her play with them when you teach her how to
These are
play
over
them.
here, Nicholas. These are Elise's.
Let's say, oh, to Elise, loves Santa.
It's a dog.
Oh, yeah.
Is this one for Elise?
Yes, it is.
That's also from Santa.
And this. But
It's,
how I get out?
A wiggle waggle duck.
But you don't have to take all of it out. We can take the wrapper off.
We'll start doing. You can finish unwrapping it.
Can we do this one for Elise?
Yep, it's one more from Elise from Santa.
Oh, what's that?
Press it.
Wait a minute.
Let's take it out.
Well, we'll take it out in a minute. We still got more to open.
Yes. Is this one for me?
That's for Elise.
For Elise. Nicholas, you opened all yours, okay?
Yeah, the rest
The next-
is for Elise and Mommy and Daddy.
What you'll do next is you'll actually get to open your gifts and play with them. Would you like that?
But when I open all Elise's, I'm gonna fill the red carbon.
Yeah. Yep, Daddy will open it.
That big one.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
was
Was she tickling you?
She's how to say, hurry up, open my present.
Buddy, you're so sweet. You're silly tickle on my back.
Oh, some toys for Elise for the bathtub.
Yeah, take a bath.
Yeah.
Take a bathtub toy. And that's from Mom, Dad, and Nicholas.
Bless you.
To Elise from Mom, Dad, and Nicholas, huh?
More bathtub toys for Elise.
Ooh, good.
I don't know, quack, because he saw the duck first.
No, I just said the quack sound.
Ah.
Oh, there's one more for Elise from Santa.
For Elise from Santa.
with a research paper in my way.
Ooh, a baby magna doodle for Elise.
Her can do that.
Yes.
See, Nicholas? Look. See your drawer on it. See
Make
it.
pictures with her, just like yours.
But you would need it right
What about
on.
our stocking? You want to get our stocking down?
Yeah. Hold on a second.
Winnie a Pooh.
Well, give them to her instead of whipping them.
Ooh, she's got new bibs.
But what's...
I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, a teething ring.
And a present.
Another present. Wow, there might even be another one in there.
Huh?
Oh, what's that? Oh, she got a chocolate Santa Claus also.
But her too little to eat it because her don't have teeth yet.
Right.
Oh.
So Mommy can help her, huh?
Only I have to.
Yeah, I think he's got himself.
Oh, you have to help her with it. Okay.
I caught that one
Can
right
I
away.
open this one?
Yes, you can.
Is this for me?
This is
No,
for
it's Elise. In fact, as soon as you open that, then you can start playing with your toys so you can see.
I want to open up something.
No, I want to give them something to play with while we open ours.
Okay.
What's this?
Because that would be cruel. Making them like open it.
Oh, wow, Elise got a Christmas ornament also.
It's a special one for her. What's it say?
Some type of like jewel or a little
Can you open it for me?
bit. Just a moment, I will.
Oh, you don't have to open it all.
Okay. We're going to leave it in the box, but it says baby's first Christmas.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Your baby, we're going to put a picture in there, too. We're going to put your picture in
Of all
there.
the things we open, that's what she wants, the box.
Whoa. Now let's go do that.
Show me how you spin.
It's off.
Oh, turn it on. Let me see how you spin. Wow, look at you go.
I'm dizzy.
You're dizzy? So you should see when you try to get up to walk.
Whoa.
You should try to get up to walk now. Go ahead, try and walk. Stand up.
Whoa.
Yeah, but now try to walk. Step off. Step off of it. Try to walk. You dizzy? You starting to fall? Hey, Elise Johansson. Hello. Hello. Where's my big smiles? You watching Nicholas, huh? You watching your big brother spin around? Smile! Smile! Here's a big pretty smile. Sitting in the chair. Are you a big girl? Are you sitting in the high chair? Who's sitting in the high chair all by herself? Give Mama a big smile, huh?
Are you involved in a love triangle and want a decision?
Can you give me a big smile?
Call us at 1-800-96 Jerry and tell us your story.
name? Do you know that you're basically just a little homewrecker, and Tim, you should pretty much move on because she ain't gonna keep her legs closed.
Do you believe she can be faithful to him?
Yeah.
I just have one thing to say. All you people are just nasty. Nasty.
Hi.
I won't take pictures. Bad.
Yeah, and watch her. Come on. Come on. Look what I got. How about... Here she goes. Let her go, Nicholas. Nicholas, let her go.
Our experience is nothing but losing.
But here's something to think about. When they finally do evolve, Pokemon become entirely different Pokemon. We've known Ekans for so long.
Coughing too.
How could we ever
Evolve them.
Was it something we said? It could be. They're evolving for us.
Their time to evolve just happens to be now.
Come on, Elise. Come on.
All of these mountains?
Yeah, maybe. Probably all the forests in the entire world are.
Beautiful gardens made by these little guys.
What a good girl. What a big girl you are. What a good girl. Yeah.
Would be completely covered with...
Oh, because I want to.
But you better watch out because here comes the soup.
No, you better watch out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, cool.
Look at Nicholas hamming it up, Linda.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Cheese. You've got to say cheese.
Yeah?
Give you a
This is the one that records you like a movie. Can you talk to Daddy? Say hi.
Wave to the camera.
Hi.
Hi. That's good enough. Okay.
Well, why don't you look over?
Who's trying to crawl?
I'm
Who's trying to crawl?
Can you move? Watch out.
Did you see me eating?
They're going to ready.
Trying to get to move that way?
Oh, man. Ugh, you're supposed to watch out, Dad. Almost. I hit.
What?
Hey.
You've got to have it. 100 miles a second of pure grab-your-face excitement. Just so fun, it'll make your eyes bug out.
Oh, we're so bad. I just hope she wrecks me.
Totally is crazy, but there's something about Jerry.
Mom and a lollipop. Want to go see Clappy?
I don't miss one.
Go see Gloppy and give him candy when you do. Look on the castle.
Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Up trees, there's a little corral built. There's been some spot chained in the middle of the corral. My dad took out a pocket full of cherry bombs and put them in my hand and said, "Get in the corral. Here's a lighter. I want you to light those cherry bombs and throw them at the prince. You're gonna face manhood. You're gonna fight that dog to the death. He's gonna kill you, or you're gonna kill him."
Elise, hang on. Nicholas, go over here. Nicholas.
Yeah, she loves watching him.
Sorry.
Yeah, she's doing good sitting up, huh?
Don't throw it, just hold on to it. Look at Elise.
She's balancing herself.
Talk to Elise.
Hi.
So what are you doing, sweetie?
Look at Woody.
Oh, you're giving him a piggyback, huh?
On this, no sign of Hawkins.
What happened to Hawkins?
His history.
Yep, up, there she goes.
There she goes.
He's down.
Hi,
She's doing good though.
Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby.
Interesting. Must have been out here somewhere. You didn't see it.
Oh.
That's a mad Derek.
Big girl, holding her papa. Big girl. Showing Daddy how to hold the papa with your hands. All by yourself. Huh?
Another bite? One bite? You want another bite? One bite? One bite? Another bite? Here's a big one. You want to spoon it in? You want to hold the spoon? Show Daddy how you feed yourself? See, what a big girl I am.
Do the mouth thing again.
Want me to fill it up?
Excuse me, Daddy.
Yeah.
One bite?
Excuse me.
Wait a minute, Nicholas.
Another bite?
Mama,
What, Nicholas?
what is that?
It's coming. Already?
Yeah.
Another bite?
Can I have the other one?
I don't think so. Cooking supper. There we go. Nice one.
No.
You want to put the spoon in? Oh, no, you want a big bite. You want to do it? Yeah. Show Daddy what a big girl you are.
Ah, check her out.
the clumpy.
Yeah, when I saw her starting to do that.
You hurt my bum.
Hi.
I'm gonna hurt you, Bob.
Oh yeah? What are you doing? You gonna do that again? There she goes. Oh, that was a wimpy one, Elise. You could do better than that. Do it again.
I can race.
There you go.
Race. Like a race car. Oh, wait, Brown. Wait, Brown.
Elise is looking at you.
And when I was racing along, I was boom, boom.
Elise, da 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 da. You gonna talk to me? You gonna talk to me? Da 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 da.
Not right now.
Hi.
Cedar Rapids on his way to the Super Bowl.
Was I? Oh, I was on pause. Yeah, I just hit record. Take a big bite. One bite. A bite.
My life, you know, has taught me much, much more and prepared me for everything that could possibly be on the football field. You know, when the average player makes more than $1 million a year and the average quarterback makes nearly $2 million, $8 million a year, there's more in the league than most valuable player.
You're getting big bites.
We take $250,000, he reminds you, it's the
Don't look at Mammy.
Hey, Elise.
Good evening again, everyone. A snowstorm is expected for slippery conditions both outside and inside Wall Street without putting more than one.
You opening wide? Are you opening wide? You open wide for your supper? Oh yeah, good. But your hand got in the way. Gonna open wide? There you go. You sure you fit it in there? You sure it fits? Does it fit in there? Get it, get it. You don't want to miss that big bite, do you? You don't want to miss that big bite, do you? Your big bite coming? You got a big bite coming? Where's your big bite? What's? You're doing good.
Hey, cool. I'm stuck to the floor. New Clorox disinfecting.
Yay, good girl. Yay.
So, you thought nothing was bigger than a big New Yorker pizza. Well, how about a chance to make your
Come
own
on,
pizza
get up.
free?
Get up.
That's right. Order a big New Yorker from Pizza Hut for only $9.99, and we'll give you your own personal access code. Go online to cdnow.com and choose 6 songs from a selection of over 75 artists and 200 hits. Personalize your own CD, and we'll mail it to you. Free. We make the pizza.
Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Yay. Yay, Elise. Good girl. Come on, get up there. You go backwards again? Is that a big yawn? And a raspberry. Thank you, dear.
But Tylenol TM has added medicine for headaches, backaches, even fever. Do you have a headache, backache, fever? Then why take medicine for it? Take Unisom. It's a safe, non-habit-forming way to fall fast asleep.
Elise Johansson. Elise Michelle Johansson, what are you doing?
Denture cleanser. One with
What are you doing? You playing with your ball?
Dream no more. It's really here. It's called Evelyn Plus. It's extra fresh. And nothing gets your dentures cleaner. Evelyn Clean and Listerine Fresh. That's Evelyn Plus.
This mom knows that her children need the proper nutrition to help them grow. And so does this mom. If you're concerned your child isn't getting adequate nutrition, ask your doctor about Pediasure. It provides a complete balance of protein, vitamins, and minerals. And Pediasure comes in 4 flavors that taste so great, your little one will really go
something that I just don't have. Suppose I were to offer you $1 million for one night with your wife.
What this money could do for us.
There's limits to what money can buy.
It's just my body. It's not my heart.
If you were mine, I wouldn't share it with anyone.
Indecent proposal. Wednesday night at 9 on USA.
Swing harder!
Go Cameo. Take it, baby. Swing by the AT&T Pebble Beach National Pro Am Thursday and Friday at 3 on USA.
Bite. Bite. One bite.
Oh, I got
Can
a perfect picture just like this.
see?
You can't right now, buddy.
Oh,
Sugar daddy. Bite.
ah.
Bite.
Say, Lisa.
Where's daddy?
Lisa.
Can you move that paper plate? Yeah, thanks.
You want a bite? Where's daddy? Where's Dada?
Hey, what are you
Knows your
doing?
name.
What's that?
Where's Nicholas? She looked right at you.
Yeah.
Where's
Hi.
Mama? Where's Mama? Where's your mama? You don't care about me, huh?
This is perfect with the view.
Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Oh, yeah, just give
Your hand.
See, da.
Yeah, there you go. Hold your hand like that. Face it this way with the next one. Yeah. I think it's...
The bottom.
She won't even look.
Yeah, look at Dada. Ah.
What are you
Got the other
doing?
bite.
Your hands in the way.
Another bite? Another bite? You want another bite? Dada, do you want a bite?
That's perfect.
Susan can't get over those. She spreads her mouth so wide.
I know. It's like she thinks you're gonna stick a whole marshmallow or something in there.
No, not the middle.
This place is bigger than the park and the backyard all put together. You guys.
I don't want anymore.
Brother, big old frog, just like me.
You are.
Hey, who are you talking to? She's Cat Pikachu. Why don't you keep your snide remarks to yourself?
That's right.
What's happening?
Certainly does. just bring this place back to life.
Thanks, Ash. You've worked so hard to make sure all these Pokemon survive. You've inspired me to become a better clean. Please, and please come back and visit us. Bye!
Our heroes leave Frenchie City with big smiles and even bigger hopes for a future that's cleaner and greener than before.
So, and government often has to meet this threshold. I think you can do it by budget.
Get off her arm, Nicholas. You gotta get off her arm, bud, okay? Thank you.
Hey, touch my belly.
I see your fat belly.